So, you must be the guy. El primo, the one who teaches capoeira, eh?
You must be the cousin. Severio.
So tell me, teacher, how much are they paying you on the high school?
Enough?
Don't play with Melku. How much?
I got a roof over my head. That's all I need right now.
A roof over my head. You know, my friend, it's been quite a long time since I met a real-life Santo. A saint, right before my eyes, in the flesh and blood. Tell you what, Santo, you see all this useless garbage? I need someone who can take these pieces of shit and make men out of them. If you can teach them how to fight, I'll give you a roof over your head like you ain't gonna believe. Whatever. I'm a reasonable man. Just tell me what you need.
You know what I need? I need to get out of here before I puke all over your fancy shoes. Excuse me.
Hey, Santo! Job interview is not over yet. Still gotta check your qualifications. See, you do fool a man who was born and raised in the worst slum barrio of Rio de Janeiro. We're gonna find out real quick who's the real capoeira maestre in this neighborhood.
You know what? You're okay, Santo. Get up. I say okay. Which means not good enough to train my boys here, but good enough to train my primo. Santo's gonna teach you all the simple shit. And when you're ready to graduate, I'm gonna be your college. Teach you what they don't teach you in the playgrounds. He's my blood, Santo. I got big plans for him. Don't be putting no crazy ideas in his head.